Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at the Real Steel H7, the Snow Leopard. It's a lockback folding knife. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member for exclusive content. Thanks a lot. So I'm pretty familiar with the brand Real Steel. I own a couple of their knives. It's a brand out of China, but they've got really nice fit and finish. And if you like their design aesthetic, you like their designs as well. This is a really heavy duty folder. It's a lockback, and I thought it would be good as an outdoor folder, in my opinion, similar in the vein of the Cold Steel AD10 or Ultimate Hunter. So it comes in this very simple packaging. Inside we've got some product information, how to disassemble the knife, and then we've got all the different designs of the different folders as well. And we've got some user instructions for this particular knife as well. Now, the Snow Leopard or the H7 is part of the H series. I believe it's a hunting series, and this specific knife is actually discontinued, but you still can find it, and I found it from a dealer at a pretty decent price. And here you have the folder. As you can see, it's quite a chunky boy. I have small to medium hands, so that really fills up my hands. I've got thumb stud for deployment, nice drop point blade, thick blade stock, and just overall a very thick handle as well. Right, before we talk about the knife, let's talk about some specs. The blade length is 3.54 inches, the handle length is 5 inches, overall length at 8.34 inches. The weight is 5.9 ounces, so it is pretty hefty. The blade thickness is 0.12 inches, although there's a swedge, so it may look thinner, but the blade stock, as you can see, is pretty thick. The style is drop point as mentioned, it's a satin finish, and the blade steel is 14C28N. Now this is great steel in my opinion. It's tough, it's great corrosion resistance, edge retention is decent as well, and fairly easy to sharpen. Now overall it's a great steel. Moranif likes to use it. For example, the Garbutt uses a 14C28N, and generally for a budget steel, it's one of my favorite stainless steels. So the handle is made from G10. It's sculpted, as you can see. There are scallops over here, contouring, and generally, I would say, quite good ergos. There is a pocket clip, not entirely deep carry, but you can reverse it to the other side. Now, it is a lock back, which means you depress this, and that closes up. And then you can deploy it by pushing the thumb stud. But there's an interesting feature. There's actually a safety here, so an additional safety catch. So with this catch on, you can't even disengage the lock back. So that's, you know, an additional safety feature, pretty good for an outdoor knife. So you unlock it by pushing that, then you can close it up. Let's see if the reverse is true. I would assume it is. So in its closed position, I have engaged the lock. Okay, you still can open it. Oh, okay, you can't really open it. Yeah, it doesn't open because the spring isn't allowed to move, so you can't really open it, and you probably damage something. So just keep that open. But if you want to engage the safety when it's in open position, maybe you're doing some heavy duty work, I can see that just being an extra safety feature. So that's pretty nice, and I haven't really seen that on a knife. Now overall, I think the fit and finish is excellent. Right, everything feels good, it looks good as well. There's steel liners, and deployment is very smooth. The lockback itself, disengagement, very easy. You know, nothing bad I can say about this knife. Now in terms of the price range, I've seen the price range from anywhere from 70 US to 130 US. I guess maybe because it's discontinued, so different dealers basically sell at different prices. So see if you can get it at a good price if you're interested in a heavy duty knife like that. So if you like thick handles like this, yeah, you definitely would enjoy this, right? So as mentioned, I have small to medium hands. If you've got bigger hands, absolutely no problem, as you can see. But it's a 3.54 inch blade, so it is, at least in my opinion, a larger size folding knife. I consider 3 inches and below EDC carry or urban EDC carry, but for outdoor EDC I'm okay with 3.5 inches or more. So just something to take note of if that's a concern to you. But in terms of quality, the feel, the look, fit and finish and deployment, I think this is an excellent knife. Well, let me know what you think. Do you own this Real Steel H7 Snow Leopard or any other Real Steel knives? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.